Hi. Learning curve is one of the concepts that we use to estimate the cost for a process or the cost for producing different units. In this question, we will go into show you how we find out what would be the time needed to calculate, or what the time needed to produce the 40th unit. So we have a manufacturer of diesel locomotives needs 50,000 hours to produce the first unit. Based on the past experience with similar products, you know that the rate of learning is 80%. Use the log model to estimate the direct labor required for the 40th diesel locomotive. So we know that the first unit will take us 50,000 hours. We know the learning curve is 80 hours. As you know, the more you practice, the less time it will take you to finish the task. And what we're trying to find here, we're trying to find the time needed for the 40th unit. In order to do this, what we need to do, we need to find the S, and the variable S basically would be the natural log of the learning curve of the 80% divided by the natural log of 2. That would give you negative 0.3219. And now we could apply the learning curve equation by multiplying the time needed for the first unit times the unit that we're trying to find out to the power of S. And this would be equal to 50,000 hours times 40 units, because we're trying to find the time for the 40th unit, to the power of S, which is the negative 0.3219. And this would give you 15,000 hours needed, 15,248 needed to finish the 40th unit. And in this case, you could see how much the learning curve of 80% become a more effective employer, become more effective employee to finish this unit. Instead of 50,000 at the beginning, when you start hiring your employee, will take them 50,000 hours to finish the first unit, versus once they become on the 40th unit, it will take them 15,248 hours to finish the same exact unit, and this is due to the learning curve of 80%.